welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video for you guys. Actually, well, I've kind of done an ombre like lip before, but it was like a red / orange kind of lip, and like I see a lot of people do that look, so I wanted to just do something different today. And I wanted to use all Fenty Beauty lipstick, the Mattemoiselle one, the one they just brought out. I did lipstick swatches on the lipstick that I got, and you guys seem to love it. So I wanted to do like a lipstick ombre just to show you guys, you know, how you can mix the lipstick together. Like, I don't have all the shades, so today I'm only going to be showing you 3 ombre lips. I actually posted a look that I did on my Instagram, and I really love it. It's so simple and it's so pretty. So I'm going to be using all of these lipsticks. So first I'm going to be using Shorty and Up to No Good. I'm going to be mixing those two together. I love it. I actually did this. This is the look I posted on my Instagram. I'm gonna put Shorty first. In the middle part where there is no lipstick, I'm gonna be putting Up to No Good. And this shade, look at that. This shade goes so well together. This is so beautiful. Like, look at that. That's such a good nude. This is what it looks like, guys. This is so pretty. Anyways, that's the first one. And I didn't buy all like the lipsticks, and I just wait. I feel like I'm gonna go get the rest because like I'm just obsessed. Like, and then it's so creamy. The lipsticks are like very creamy, so it's so easy to just apply, and it blends so easily together. So it's really nice. I just really love this. Anyways, let's move on to the next. So this next look, if you're trying to try something different and you want to be out there, just want to be wow and popping and just see my lips. You just want to be out there and you just want to be fun and funky with your lipsticks. This one it's for you. And I'm going to be using Clapback, and I'm going to be using one of the boys. I'm going to be using Clapback first because that's kind of like a darker color. You want to use like a dark color when you're doing ombre lips. You want to make sure you're using the darker like color first. Do not use the light color. You don't want to be out here looking crazy. I'm telling. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. But yeah, so use the darker color first. So I'm gonna be using Clapback. It's like a pretty dark like blue, so it's almost looking black, but I love it. And so now I'm gonna put one of the boys in the middle part that is missing. So there you have it for Clapback and one of the boys. I like this look. I mean, like I said, if you're trying to go a little bit out of the box, this is definitely a pretty look. If you have like the right eyeshadow on, it will definitely be a look. Okay, it will be a look. I'm gonna come closer so that you guys can see better. I feel like it goes so well with my shirt. Like, it's just like orange and blue. It's just like, I love it. It's working. I see something. It's working, you know. Oh, for the last one, I'm gonna be using PMS, and I'm also gonna be using Saucy. I like saying it's saucy. I'm saucy. Anyways, I'm gonna be using PMS first. Like I said, you always want to like use the darker shade first. So I'm gonna be using PMS, and then I'm gonna go with Saucy. So let's go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add Saucy to the middle. By the way, guys, this is the first time that I'm trying this. I just like add in my head like it was gonna go, and it looks gorgeous. I'm using the brown and the orange like together, so it kind of like makes the orange like tone down a little bit more, because the orange is by itself, it's a little lighter than this. So but I like it. It's like not too bright, like to the point that it's like looking crazy. So I really like this. This is really pretty. This is another nude look that you can go to, and this is a close-up of what it looks like. I'm feeling it. What kind of lip you want to do if you have like a glitter eye makeup and you don't want too much going on the lips, and like you want the lips to be popping but like not too neutral, like not too nude. This is the go-to look. This is pretty. So sometimes when I'm trying to like finish up my look, I really love glossy lips. I don't know what it is, but like I just prefer glossy lips, but I just feel like it just looks like 10 times better. But the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, oh my god, Fenty has honestly been doing so well. So like honestly, I really love their products. So I just really, this is my favorite lip gloss, period. Okay, so I like to top it off. I'm gonna try the lip gloss on this look and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it just makes everything pop. Yes, are you guys feeling it? That's a look. It's a look. I love it. That will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you guys find this video very helpful, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Make sure you click on the bell beside the subscribe button to get a notification when I do upload my videos. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.